Right, guys, very good evening, all. Thank you. And today we are going to discuss some other basic commands. So, already you know that, but let me explain like again the same commands, like what is how to removing the files, how to copying the files, and then what is the command to rename, and mostly the very important things, how to creating archiving files. That means zip files, and then how to create a links in the environment. So today I will explain more commands. I mean, some important commands only. But first 15 minutes I will explain like basic level commands because some people don't know even basics also, right? But in the material, I mean in the PDFs, you will get more description. But in the basic level, I will explain few things only. But in the PDFs, you will get more things because this is not basic level lectures, but these basics again you will cover in the advanced level. But first, uh, I mean, I will give you the word some description about basics, right? So, what is the command to create a directory, guys?
MKDIR.
Very good. So, mkdir is a command to create a directory. So, let me create my directory name is cloud. Then, if I enter cloud directory successfully created. So now my directory name is cloud. Then you want to create multiple directories, mkdir, like cloud 1, then we will use cloud 2, then it is called what? Cloud 3. Otherwise, the same directories we can create even, this is also correct process, like cloud 1, 2, 3. That means it will consider cloud 1, cloud 2, and cloud 3. Then if I enter, so three directories are successfully created, cloud 1, cloud 2, cloud 3. And then second important thing, how to create nested directories. What is mean by nested directory? What is mean by nested
Directory
directory?
under directory, sir.
Good. Directory within a directory. So how to create a directory within a directory? mkdir hyphen p. P means parent directory. Okay, let me create my directory name is world. So world is the parent directory. Under world, now it is a Asia directory. Under Asia, I want to create India directory. Under India, I want TS directory. Under TS, we have Hyderabad is the directory. Then if I enter, now if you check the ls command, world directory successfully created. But actually, within the world, the subdirectory is Asia. Under Asia, India. So like we have multiple subdirectories are created. But how to verify the what? The subdirectories. Even we have two possibilities. One is the tree command, space, your directory name is world. Tree space world. Then if I enter, then here see world directory, Asia, under Asia, India, under India, TS, under TS, Hyderabad is the directory. Otherwise, we will use ls hyphen capital R, then the parent directory name is world. That is called what? Capital R. Capital R means recursive. Capital R means recursive means within the directory. What exactly world contains? Then world Asia contains what? So that is the same information. World contains Asia, then world Asia contains India, then India maintains TS. Like, so you want to verify the tree structure, then tree space directory name or ls space hyphen capital R. Right. Then now you clear.
The slash mandatory that you use after.
Okay. Then next important thing, how to navigate a directory. How to navigate a directory. Then that is the that is meaning a. I mean that is meaning how to change a directory. So cd is the command to change directory. So let me change. It is called what? Cloud directory. So cd space the directory name is cloud. Then if I enter, Now my present working directory is cloud directory. So root cloud directory. So you want to go previous working directory, then cd space dot dot td space dot dot. Then you can go your previous working directory. Again, I back to root directory. So you want to verify the what path. I mean, I will go for the what my parent directory to the completely ts directory. So we cannot write the word directly cd space ts because in the current location we don't have any ts directory. So where is the ts directory? So the ts is available in the current working directories world. Then it is called what asia. Then under india ts is there. So this is the way to changing the what paths. Then enter. So now what is my current working location? In the root world Asia, India, TS. But you want to go again your previous working directory, cd space dot dot. But you want to go at a time 2 levels back, then slash dot dot. 3 levels back at a time, then slash dot dot. That meaning is at a time to switch TS directory to directory, world directory. Okay. So now this is the way you can keep it the what double dot slash like that. So how many levels you want to back? Then sometimes people what to do? They are writing directly cd tilde symbol only. What is mean by cd tilde symbol? See that here tilde. That means you will go user home directory. You will go user home directory. That means the user home directory is slash root. Then if I enter, so directly goes to user home directory cd tilde. Otherwise, instead of cd tilde, people we can write cd also. Only cd also go to user's home directory. Go to user's home directory. cd also correct. So this is called what? Navigation. Navigation of the directories. Fine. Now, the next important thing, how to copying files. Right. You know that cp is the command. cp is a command. So what is the cp command? To copying one source to destination. Copying source to destination. Okay, for example, in the ls, in my current location, DevOps is the file name. Okay, this file was created, I mean yesterday. So now let me copy cp space hyphen I. I means interactive. I means interactive. Then file name is DevOps source file name. Then where to copy this DevOps file? I want to copy into cloud directory. I want to copying into cloud directory. Then if I enter, so now file successfully copied into cloud. If you check ls cloud only. Now I want to list the files and directories in the cloud location. That's why ls cloud. Then enter. So now the cloud contains DevOps. But again, if I trying to copy the what same file name, I mean again I'm running the what same file. What happens is now it is asking. So do you want to copy and cloud DevOps into cloud? Because if you copy, then it will override. That is called what? I means interactive. I mean the same file name is already exist in the destination. Then it will take the what confirmation from the user. So first time directly it's copied. What is the reason? In the destination there is no DevOps file. That's why it's copied. But in case the source file is already existing in the destination, that time it will ask interaction. That is called what? Okay, I don't want any override. That is the important thing. So before copying, before removing, so it will take confirmation from the user, which is called what? Hyphen I interactive method. Then, so you want to copying directory to directory, directory to directory. Then only I not enough. So now let me copy my cloud one directory or cloud directory into my world directory. So now here both are the directories. Both are the directory. Cloud is the directory, world is the directory. So now when you are trying to copy directory to directory, what happens is, so hyphen or not specified. The problem is omitting directory cloud. So only I interactive. but you want to copying directory to directory. So you must use R. R for recursive. R for recursive. For copying directories, R is mandate. R is mandatory. Then if I enter, so now cloud successfully copied into world. Then check it ls space world directory. Then cloud is successfully copied. This is called what? Copying. But sometimes people, how to copy means, then even if I write the word RI, okay, I want to copy DevOps file, I want to copy rom.pem file, and I want to copy cloud 3. I want to copy like it is called what? Cloud directory. Then it is called what? Anaconda-case.cfg. Then what is the meaning here, guys? Anyone?
So the last one should be the destination directory, right?
Okay, correct. So I mean, when you are writing multiple resources, then cp command treated as the last one as a target. I mean, this is the what our target. Remaining all are the what sources. So the target should be directory only, because we cannot copying all files into one text file. We cannot copy the what multiple files into a text file. So that's what you want to copying multiple files or directories into directory. So the target should be directory only. So now here see, that's why the target anaconda-ks.cfg is not a directory. That's why it's not copied. So if you write n number of sources, no problem. But the target should be directory only. But let me keep my directory name is music. Okay, my directory name is music. Now target is music only. If I enter, so all are copied into music. And don't forget it, in the cp command, if you write multiple sources, I mean last one treated as a target, but target should be direct. This is called what? Copying. And also the
Sir,
another
please
command is,
explain the last command. Last command.
so this
Yes.
is called copying, guys. So for example, what I'm saying in
Directly
Windows,
to direct.
sorry,
Directly
Di-
to direct.
so directory to directory means here it is called what? One directory is the source, another directory is the what? Directory. So what I'm saying here, I have a one folder. I want to copy this folder to another folder. That is called what? Directory to directory. R is required. But I want to copying the all files into one text file. Is it possible? Not possible. So that's why the sources must be into directory only. Okay. So please compare to your Windows operating system. The same activities here, but command level. Fine. And the next one is MV command. MV means it is a renaming. It's a renaming. So like how to rename a file in the Windows? Right click on that, then rename, take the action rename. But here MV is the command. Check it ls. Okay, I want to rename this rom.pem file into rom only. Then what to do? MV. So the source file name is existing file name. The new file name is rom only. Then enter. Check it ls. So now the rom.pem has been renamed with rom only. So how to rename the file? First existing file name, then new file name. You want to rename the folder, then existing folder name, then new folder name. That is called what? MV command. Renaming files or directories. Okay, these are all are the basics only, guys. But again, these basics we will use in the advanced concepts of system level, system admin level. But better to understand first basic level commands, just 2 or 3 lectures. Once basic level commands are completed, then I will start the work, the pure administration chapters. Okay, right. Then, and the next important thing, what is another command? It is called what? RM. What is mean by RM command? Just removing files and directories. So how to remove files and directories in the Windows? Right click on the file, then delete it, and right click on the folder, then delete it. So here is the command. rm only. Okay. So now, for example, I have some files. Let me delete rm-i. Don't forget the word I option, because if you don't write I option, so the file will be deleted directly. Then rm-i means the file, the command will be asked confirmation from the user. So now here, now remove regular file from. Yes, I want to remove it. But you want to remove your directory. Then what is the directory name? For example, my directory name is cloud1. Cloud1 is a directory. But we cannot remove directory without R option. I told you, for copying and removing, you must, R is the option. That's why you will go for the what? R option. You will go for the what? R option. So now enter yes. Remove the what? Directory. But you know, the another command is there. I mean rmdir. Anyone what is meant by rmdir?
For removing the directory.
To
It will
remove
remove.
directory.
Empty
Sorry,
To remove the
Empty
directory. RMDIR.
rmdir what to do?
To
Remove directory and directory name we need to give. -p like
Shivani, what rmdir?
Removes the empty directory.
Yes, this is correct. But rmdir deletes only empty directories. Only empty directories. So now let me try. I want to delete cloud2. Then successfully deleted. I'm trying to delete the word cloud. What happened? Failed to remove cloud and directory not empty. But now tell me, sir, already we have rm command for deleting files and directories also. But rm will delete empty directories and non-empty directories also. But why again rmdir? Am I correct? Am I correct or not? rm will do everything. But why again rmdir?
Easy to remember. Opposite of mkdir.
like RM will remove the files, right? But RMDIR will remove the directory.
rm also will delete the word directories. See, here is the word cloud1 successfully deleted with the help of rm only.
Non-empty
because
directories
Cloud1
can
has
be deleted.
some of the important files. We cannot delete files in that particular directory. Before removing that one, we need to empty the files. Then only we can proceed.
Any other? I mean, when to use this kind of options?
We can use like to remove the files under directory. Then we can use like interact options.
No, without any interaction, rmdir will delete. See that? The directory successfully deleted without any interaction. Okay, I will tell you what cases. In the real time, I mean when to use rmdir. So now guys, actually, I have one important folder, cloud directory. Cloud is a directory, just as within the cloud directory, I have 1,000 subdirectories are just as the main parent directory name is cloud, but within the cloud directory, 1,000 subdirectories are there. But all directories, I mean, some directories are empty and some directories are non-empty, empty and non-empty. But one day, my requirement is I want to delete all empty directories only. My requirement is what? To delete only empty directories. But what is the solution generally? People will create a shell script. I mean, within the shell script, within the script, what I told you about shell scripting, a series of commands within your file being executed without being compilation is nothing but shell script. Okay. In the shell script, if you write rm command, rm will treat empty directories, non-empty directories. I mean, yes, rm will delete empty and non-empty also. But within the script, if you write rmdir action, then it will delete only empty directories. It will not delete any non-empty. So based on situation, we will use the word commands. Are you clear now?
Ram, can you please repeat it?
Yeah, can you please repeat?
So within the directory, 1000 subdirectories are there. Okay. But out of 1000 subdirectories, some directories are empty, some directories are non-empty. But my requirement is I want to delete only empty directories. I want to delete empty directories only. Then in the script, if you write rm command, what to do? Rm will delete empty and non-empty.
Empty one.
You want to delete empty only, right? Then we can use the word rmdir command only. Don't use the word rm command in the script.
Oh,
Okay? Right. Then.
But Ram, I mean, for the both commands, we need to mention the directory name, right?
No. Why need to mention the word both commands? If you write within the script rm command, rm will delete empty directories, non-empty directories. But what is your requirement? Deleting only empty directories. Then why to use rm? Instead of rm, we can use rmdir only. Then your content data is safe or not? Your content folders are safe, right?
Yes.
How can we delete multiple directories in single command, sir?
How can you delete?
Multiple directories in single command.
How can you delete multiple directories with single command means rm-r, then it is called what? Directory 1 space directory 2 space directory 3. We can write like this. Otherwise, if you use star, then what happens? What are the directories starts with dir? Everything will be deleted. Got my point?
Yes, yes.
Star is what asterisk like. I mean, it matches 0 or more characters. 0 or more characters. The meaning is sometimes, for example, you want to copy the word files. You want to take the word backups actually. But within the folder, we have Python programs, you have shell script programs, you have Java programs. But hundreds of programs are there. But I want to take the backup only Python programs. I want to take the backup only Python programs. Then you need to write what is the thing. Okay, the program dot Python 1 and program 1 dot Python program. Like we can write the what every program name. But if you know the asterisk, then what is the importance? So write the star. Then what are the extension of .py? Everything will copy to what? Cloud Edit. Then what happen here? What are the files extension with .py? Everything will be copied to Cloud Edit. That is the advantage of asterisk. It is 0 or more characters. But I will introduce this kind of actions in the admin level lectures. Don't worry.
Okay. Sir, on this point, if all these Python files are in the Cloud One directory, how will the command will be?
Cloud One only. All the Python files into Cloud One directory.
For example, if all the files are in the Cloud One directory, now we want to move it to another directory.
Okay, then we can use Cloud One directory. Under Cloud One directory, star.py files into, okay, it is called what? Whole directory.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Right. Fine.
Thank you.
Okay. Fine. So now it's very clear what is the rm command, what is the cp command, and what is the mv command. Now I will go for the another important thing. How to like compressing files in the environment. Generally, before taking backups in the real time, people will compress the what? Multiple files into a single file. Then anyone, what are the commands in the Linux? Because some people are already completed basics. So that's why I'm asking. Please tell me what are the commands to compress and what are the commands to archive?
tar-cvf create is a command to compress, and tar-xvf is a command to archive, extract. Or gzip or unzip, two commands this can be used.
Very good. Okay. So first of all, I want to tell something to you. When to use compressing and archiving. I mean, if you don't have any benefits, then why need to use these kind of commands? Anyone, what are the benefits? File compression and archiving commands. With help of tar command or maybe gzip command or bzip command, what are the benefits?
While collecting the logs, we need a zip file.
No. I'm asking benefits. For example, okay. For example, I will tell you another important example. So nowadays, everyone downloading multiple files, maybe but files are softwares or movies or songs from the web. But if you know the things, like mostly the files are zipped only. I mean compressed files only. If you download your movie, the movie also zipped file. If you download multiple songs, the songs also under the what zip file. Then why people to keep zip files in the what web location?
So to
Like-
protect the data, every data.
Sorry?
So to protect to all the data, like
No. So it is not security
To
reason.
save the memory.
What is that?
To
To
save the
save the
memory.
To
Yes,
save the
reduce the size.
compress the
Memory.
size.
right. So generally we have multiple reasons, but I will tell you the two important reasons. I mean, why need to compress the files or why need to archiving the files? Actually, it is useful to store a group of files in one file for easy backup and for transfer to another directory or for transfer to another computer. Okay, for example, I have 10 GB data. Important data is there in my computer. But I want to transfer the what? That 10 GB data to another computer. But if you directly apply copying, it will take long time. And even the second reason is, if you keep the what your compressed files in the web location, I mean your movies, YouTube videos, almost everything in the web location, mostly zip files only. Why people to keep the what zip files in the web location? The first reason is to saving storage. I mean, if you have a 10 GB data, if you upload the what 10 GB data directly in the web location, in the web location also occupied 10 GB. But before uploading, if you compress the what 10 GB files into a single file, then the size will be maybe 6 GB or 5 GB. It will reduce approximately 50 to 60%. This is the what is the advantage for this? To saving storage. And second important thing, so through internet, via the internet, the download speed is very fast compared to raw files. So as a single file, if you download it, the download speed is very fast. That's why mostly people will keep in the form of zip files. What are the two reasons? Download very faster through web. This is the first thing. And second important thing, saving storage. Saving storage. That means when the file size is very large, if you keep the word compression, then the file size will be less than 50%. Okay, and what is the another benefit? You can easily moving or copying from one computer to another computer. Best example I told you, 10 GB data in my computer, but I have a pen drive only with 8 GB. But is it possible that 10 GB in a single action to another computer? No. So then what is the action? Okay, I want to keep this 10 GB in my 8 GB pen drive. First, I will compress the 10 GB file into less than 8 GB. Then what to do? Compress the file size first. Then maybe after compression, that file size will be 4 GB or 5 GB. Then keep it in the pen drive. Then transfer one computer to another computer. So we have lot of actions. Okay, same way in the real time, as an engineer, maybe Linux administrator, or it is called system engineers, or DevOps engineers, or cloud engineers, database engineers, or developers. Everyone, before taking backup, they will compress the files. Like mostly people will compress log files, because every day in the server level, lot of logs are created. But some logs are important, but some logs are unimportant. Maybe sometimes you will access the logs. Then what to do? Keep it the backups. How to keep the backups? With help of the tar command. With help of the tar command. Okay, what is mean by exactly the tar command? So somebody is calling tar balls. Somebody is calling tar balls, or it's called tar. The full form of tar is tape archive. Tape archive or archive. Tape archive, or it is called archive. Tar full form. Then how to take the backups? So let me apply this. So first we have multiple files, guys. Okay, I will take the long files. Even we have etc password file into Java. So now here actually this file contains large data. So this file is copied to one Java file because I want to take the backups. So now the Java file is created with some content. See that the content is already existing. So now DevOps file is there, Java file is there. Okay, again I will create the another file name. Okay, the file name is AWS also. Okay, so now we have multiple files. Then how to create archiving files? I mean, see that zip files are different, archiving files are different. Anyone, what is the difference between zip files and archiving files? Anyone?
No, sir.
Archive means backup.
Uh-huh.
So backup and zip file is to used for compressing. I mean, same thing.
Who said?
It looks, it's Shivani.
Okay. Right. Nice. Okay. See this, guys. zip files are nothing but reducing file size. Zip is nothing but what? Sizes will be reduced. But archiving is nothing but multiple files as a single file. I mean, it will create one single file from the multiple files. That is the meaning of archiving. But what is the difference between zip and archive? zip files will, I mean, compressed files will be reduce the sizes. But archive files means even if you take the all source files 10 GB, the single file also will be 10 GB only. But archiving is nothing but multiple files into a single file. Got my point?
Yes.
Okay. But now, what is my agenda? I mean, I want to take the backups, but without reducing file sizes, no use. What is my concern? I want to combine multiple files as a single file along with compression. Along with compression, I want both. Then we will use different accents with the tar command. With the tar command. Okay. Now let me apply. So first, tar is the command. Tar hyphen cf. C means create. F means files. Then space. I want to create a one single file. Backup.tar file. I want to create a one single file name is backup.tar. But some people are writing even C also. C for the, V also. V for the what verbose, it is an optional only, but no need, that is. And backup.tar. Then space, which files you want to combine as a single file. Then I want Java file. I want DevOps file. I want cloud directory. I want even music directory, or it is called what world directory. So I want to combine these four resources as a single file name with backup.tar. If I enter, see that the file successfully created. If I check ls -l, then what is the file name? Backup.tar. Then backup.tar file successfully created. Then this file, these four file sizes are, it is called 20480. So four file sizes are the what? 20480. But even after creating this backup.tar file, you want to attach any new files into backup.tar. And another one more point, you want to view the backup.tar file. You want to view backup.tar file, then tar space -tf. So F is the common file and T means table of content. What exactly contains this backup.tar file? If I enter, yes, this backup.tar file has Java file, DevOps file, cloud directory. Within the cloud directory, DevOps file is there, and also we have combined world directory also. But now I want to add the word missed file. Actually, while creating, I forgot to attach the word AWS file. Actually, I want to include the word AWS, but I forget it. But generally, people what to do in the environment, they will delete and recreate the word file. But no need. Even the backup.tar, the tar file is created. How to append the what new files into tar box? Then tar space rf. Then which file you want to attach? I want to attach AWS file. Then enter. AWS file has been attached to backup.tar. How do you know that? If you again tf, see this, now AWS file has been added. But previously we don't have any AWS. Now AWS file has been added. This is the word. First important thing, how to archive the files. Archive the file. Archiving means what? The same file sizes into one single file. The source file size is 10 GB. The destination file size also will be 10 GB. But I don't want like this. I want combined multiple files into a single file along with compression. Then we will use the another option. Okay, I want to add AWS file also. Then here CZ option. CZ. Okay, Z means file compression with gzip tool. File compression with gzip. So in the environment, especially in the Linux or Unix environment, we have two tools for compressing and uncompressing. One is gzip tool, another one is bzip tool. Bzip tool. So one is gzip and another one is bzip tool. So now if you use Z option, then it uses gzip tool. Mostly gzip tool extension name is, it is called what? .gz. So that's why I added .gz. But what is the another example of bzip tool? I will tell. Okay. So first here the same file names. Now we are combined to one single file along with compression, but compression option is Z. But if you use Z option, the file extension should be .gz. Then if I enter, yes, file has been created. And the same example, if you use J option, J also is there, then the extension of the J means it is called what? BZ2. It is called what? BZ2. Then enter. So now two backup files are created. If I check ls space -l with name backup.tar actually star. I mean, I want to list only backup.tar files. Okay, then enter. See that? Originally, these file sizes are 20480. But after adding J option, now file size is 1226. After adding Z option, the file size is 1260. Okay, so that's why these are the what exact commands in the environment for taking backups. You want to take any backups, either we can use Z option or J option. If you use Z option, it uses gzip tool. That gzip tool extension name is .gz. If you use J option, the backend it uses bzip2. That bzip2 compression tool extension is .bz2. Okay, so now these are the what two commands, how to compress and how to uncompress. Sorry, how to compress the what file size along with archiving. Now you want to extract any file in the tar space, except, I mean, X is the common option to extract anyone, backup.tar or backup.tar.gz or backup.tar. Okay, you can use any one file, backup.tar. So I enter, so all are extracted in the current location. But you want to extract any other location. Okay, I will use OPT location, but in the OPT, right now nothing. Okay, in the ls under OPT, there is no files actually. But I want to extract in the OPT location. Then how people to extract in the destination of OPT. But if you run this command, by default in the current location, but I want to extract in the capital C OPT location. So if you write capital C, any directory name, then files will be extract in the target location. Now if I enter, all are extracted in the OPT. Now check it ls/OPT. See that? AWS, Cloud, DevOps, Java, World. Even for the same command for backup.tar.bz or backup.tar.gz. So this is called what? How to use backup in the real time. Okay. And in the PDF, I will give you more clarity. And first I will explain with the command name what is gz, what is bz2. Theoretically, I will give you more knowledge in the PDF, then how to use the tar balls, even more examples in the PDF. Because in the basic level, don't expect more. Even in the basic level, I have explained only important commands. But the same basics, even sometimes it will repeat in the administration level also. But in these classes, our main agenda is administration lectures. So that's why we will focus admin level lectures. But even I will provide the word inside the PDF, all basic level questions, all basic level commands. Okay, but even I will provide the word some other commands also in the PDF, but based on the word PDF knowledge, and please be execute in your computers. I mean, some commands I will provide, I mean, extra commands I will provide inside the word PDF. Okay.
Sir, last one question.
Tell me.
So earlier you said, after creating the tar file, if we want to add any more files, so we can do that. You said, right?
Right.
So what if we want to delete from the tar? I mean, exclude.
I mean, exclude option, right?
Yes.
So exclude options also is there. Then we will use the word exclude keyword directly. So you will go for the word man space tar command. here see, exclude option means it is called what archiving option, X option is there, and file names also is there. And you want to remove tar-r also. Appending means R option also is there. So here it is called what create different options are there. Append, lift, test, update. So you will follow the what? This kind of options. Okay. Exclude also is there.
Okay.
Okay. In the material, I will provide it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now backups are clear. Then second important concept, I mean third important concept in today's lecture, what is mean by links, guys? Even links also important, even as a basic level or admin level. Anyone? What is mean by links?
So it will redirect the directories.
No.
It is the shortcut to enter into the files or directories.
Shortcut. Correct. Okay. So guys, I will tell you the what example even with Windows. So every day I want to access one folder, I mean one binary file from the C drive, I mean in the program files, or maybe in the Microsoft .NET or under the what Redis list. I want to access the what this file every day. Then what to do, people? Every day you want to access this file. Then is it correct way? Every day you will come to this location and access this file. Generally, people what to do for simple access?
They keep on the desktop.
Right. They will create a one shortcut on the desktop. Create a shortcut on the desktop. So now here send to desktop create shortcut. Then you will access very easy. So what I'm saying, when the file has very long path, then create a shortcut, right? So that shortcuts are nothing but links in the Linux concept. Links in the Linux concept. So when the file has a long path, then create a link. Then create a link. So what is mean by links definition? To give a pointer from the source file. To give a pointer from the source file is called as a link. Is called as a link. But in the Linux, we have two types of links. In the Linux, we have two types of links. What are the two types of links? Soft links and hard links. Soft links and hard links. Okay. Which are important in the real environment? Mostly, people will execute soft links only. Mostly, even in interviews, people are asking about soft links. Okay. But don't worry, I will explain both. What is the difference between soft links and hard links also? Right. Soft links, first let me explain soft links. But soft links, another name is symlinks. Soft links, another name is symlinks or symbolic links. Symlinks or symbolic links. Okay. I have a one important file, guys. What is the file name? Okay, I have a one backup script, backup.sh file is there. But every day I want to access this backup.sh file from the multiple locations, Then generally people what to do means they will copy the what this backup.sh file into multiple locations. But if you copy this file into multiple locations, then what is the drawback? In every area, I mean, where is the backup.sh file? In every location occupied the original file size, if you copy. For example, backup.sh file is 1 GB file, just assume. But the file is copied in the 3 locations. Then in the 3 locations, the file size will be 1 GB, 1 GB with 1 GB. But in the same system, why need to waste your storage? Like that 1 GB file, again we'll copy the multiple location. In every location, again occupied 1 GB file size. Then what is the solution? Links, concept is the solution. If you create any link in the destination location, the source file only occupied the storage. The destination file will not occupy the storage. Then this is the first important advantage of the links. Okay, let me explain practically. But any link, any soft links, you want to create it, ln space -s is the option. ln space -s space. First write the word source file name, then write the word destination file name. Source file name and destination file name. But what is the syntax? For creating soft links or hard links, ln only is the command. As for source file or soft link, then space source file name, space destination file name. Now let me explain and each point, what are the benefits in the soft link. First, ls. Let me create a one file, cat greater than. Okay, my file name is, okay, it is a my file only. My file name is my file. If I enter within the my file, hi is there and hello is there. So now two lines are in the my file. To save the file, Control D. Okay, now my file is ready. My file is ready. I want to create a link for this my file. Then how to create a link? But where is the my file actually? Please use the word absolute path names. First ln space -s. Then where is the my file? The file is under root my file. This is the source file name. And where to create a link? Actually, this file I want to access every day from the different file system of OPT. From the different file system of OPT. Or I want to access this file from the home location. From the home location. Okay, the user folder name is ROM. From the ROM, we can access the my file. We can access the my file. So actually, I want to access my file. Actually, the original file is available in the root location, admin level. But admin giving the privileges, ROM can also access the my file. Then if I enter, so now my file successfully created. But source file is available in the root my file. But destination location is /home ROM my file is the location. Now try to access the destination file in the ls space -l in the /home location and ROM, then it is called my file. So now link successfully created. But remember, soft links highlighted with sky blue color, but we don't have any color names. Then links are highlighted with the file beginning with L. Here it is called L. L means it is a link file. Yes, the link file has successfully created, but from the source file of /root/my file. This is the first point. And what is the size of this file? It is called nothing, because it is a shortcut only. But original file size is 1 GB, then destination file size is 0 only. It cannot occupy the in the destination file. That is the advantage of the link, first important thing. And every file maintain index numbers. That means inode numbers. So what is meant by exactly index numbers or inode numbers? So if you create any one file in your computer, but every file will be stored in the hard disk with one unique number. With one unique number. That number is called as index number or inode number. Index number or inode number. So within the hard disk, the files or directories stored with inode numbers only. But how to check the inode numbers? ls space -i. Okay, my source file index number, it is called my file. Index number is 18758135. Then what about your destination file index number? So the source file index number and a destination home ROM, the destination file index numbers are different, guys, here. See that the destination file index number 149, the source file index number is this. So what is the confirmation here? Both files doesn't maintain same index numbers. Then what is the next important thing? In case if you update your source file, the source file is like under root, my file name is my file. In the my file, let me update hi, hello in the same line. Hi, hello. To save the file, control D. So now the file has been updated. Now these updates automatically replicated to your destination. Where is the destination file? Under /home rom, it is called what? My file. So now the third line has been added. So what is the confirmation here? If you update your source file, so automatically it will be replicated to your destination file. This is
Link, sir?
the okay. This is the what next requirement. Then the soft links, the best advantage is you can create a link across the file system. Across the file system. That is the advantage. I mean, within the computer, you want to access the source file from the different file systems or different locations, then soft links are supported. Best example, compared to Windows, your original file is C drive. Sir, I want to access from the C drive file to D drive or E drive or anywhere. Can I create a shortcut from the C drive to D drive or C drive to E drive? Yes. Same way, soft links are supported across the drives, means across the file systems. So that's why the original file is the root location, but file is successfully created in the home location, but both are the not same locations. This is the next very important point. But what is the drawback in the soft links? If you remove the source file, what is my source file? In the root, my file. If you remove the source file, we cannot access the what? Link file. It is rendered as useless. So that means even shortcuts also. If you remove the what original file, how can you access the what shortcut file? That is a what equivalent to what soft links. But in the soft links advantage is what? We can create a links across the file system. Anywhere we can create it. So that's why in the real time, people to use the word soft links only. I mean, they will create your word. I mean, binaries are available in the one folder only. But the same binaries are people want to access from the different location. Then people what to do? They will create your what links only. They will create your what links only. They will not copy the what files into what destination file. Because both are same, but we want to save the time. You want to save the storage. Then links only is the best concept. Then the second important thing, hard links. Guys, soft link complete opposite is hard link. I mean, soft links opposite is hard links. That means, okay, let me create a what another file, cat greater than, I want to create a one PHP file. In the PHP file, high data is there. To save the file, control D. Okay, now we have a what PHP file. Okay, I want to create a what hard links for this PHP file. For creating hard links, the first important thing, ln space source file name directly. I mean the source file name is root php, and where to create a link file, my link is under home, it is a rom and file name is php. Under file name is php. So soft link file is available, but it is useless because there is no data in the what soft links. Because if the original file is deleted, we cannot access the what link file. But when you are trying to access the what soft link, it is asking remove the what file. Okay, but no use. Okay, so now in the ln source file name, destination file name. Remember, what is the difference between soft links and hard links? First difference, With S, it will create soft links. Without S, it will create a hard link. There is no S option, hard link. With S, soft link. Then I'm trying to create a file, but error is there. What is the error? Failed to create a hard link because invalid cross-device link. Invalid cross-device link. The meaning is hard links doesn't support across the file system because the source file is under root location. We can create the destination file also will be root location only. I mean, the file is under C drive. We cannot create in the D drive. We can create anywhere within the C drive only, within the file system. That is the meaning. Hard links doesn't support across the file system. Then what to do? I will create your link. For example, within the file system is under root. Okay, I want to create a under root directory. We have a folder world. We have a folder Asia. I want to access the word from the India PHP file. Then enter the file name is PHP. Yes. See that the link has been supported. So because both file systems are same, both row locations are same. That's why hard links are supported. But in the hard link, remember index numbers. Index numbers means in the ls space -i, the root PHP file index number, and in the root world Asia in India PHP file, both index numbers are same. See that both index numbers are same because both are created within the file system. So that's why hard links maintain both files index numbers are same. But you can easily identify in the hard links means, best example, in the ls space -l, my PHP file is here. What is the PHP file here? PHP file is there, but the PHP file link count value is 2. Actually, every file link count value is 1 by default. See that if you type ls space -l, Anaconda, this file link count, this is called what? Link count actually 1. This is 1, 1, 1. But why PHP file has 2, but remaining all files are 1. But by default, every directory value is 2. Directories link count value is 2 and files link count value is 1. Now, but only PHP file counting value is 2. Why counting 2 means? If you create any hard link for this file, the link count value will be increment by 1 value. The link count value will be increment by 1. I mean, let me create a what? Another link for the same file. Okay, now I want to create the what PHP file in the ACL location. Then enter. Now you can check the what PHP file link count value is 3. Now link count value is 3. What is the meaning here? Okay, this PHP file is available in another 2 locations. Okay, one is here, and now another 2 files, same files are available in another location. That is the meaning of link count.
So as it is maintaining the same index number.
Everything maintain the what? Same index number. Hard links means within the file system. Within the file system means same index numbers. But
So
what is the drawback here again? If the source file size is 1 GB, the destination file also occupied 1 GB.
Yeah, storage issue.
Yes, storage issue. And second drawback is the what? What is the second drawback? So we cannot create across the file system. Sometimes you want to access the what binaries files from the different location, but hard links doesn't support. But soft links are supported. This is another drawback. But what is the advantage here? If you remove the original file, we can access the what? Your link file. How it is possible means? So it is approximately copying file actually. So that's why both sides occupy the what? Same storage. Correct or not? So now, if I remove the word, my original file name is in the /root PHP file. If I remove the word original file, see this, we can access the word your link file under root world Asia, then it is called what file name PHP. We can access the file, and even we can access from the India, it is called what PHP file, because it's internally copying one location to another location. So fast copying purpose. This is called what? Hard links concept. But in the environment, soft links only, not hard links. So in interviews, you will face only soft links questions. And second important thing, mostly you will face difference between soft links and hard links concept. So once again, I will repeat, what is the difference between soft links and hard links? So soft links we can create ln space hyphen s offset, but the same syntax without s, hard links. Without s means it is hard link. And then the second point is, soft link side index numbers are different. That means source file index number, destination side index numbers are different. But in the hard link side, both file index numbers are same. And third important point, so if you update the source file, we can replicate automatically in the destination in both sides, soft link side and also hard link side. And the main point is, soft link supports across the file system, but hard links can't. Hard links doesn't support. And in the soft link side, the another important point, the count value not incremented by 1, but hard link side, the file counting value incremented by 1. Okay, but if you remove the soft link, I mean original file, we cannot access the link file. But in the hard link side, we can access. But in the soft link side, benefit is saving storage, and hard link side, so wastage storage. So we have 5 or 6 points, but at least tell them 2 or 3 points. Main points are index numbers across the file system and backup purpose. That's why the simple reason, soft links are shortcuts related, hard links are backup purpose. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear.
Right. So this is the what? Today lecture. And tomorrow I will tell you the another important basic commands, but actually it looks like basics, but very important commands in the real time. It's looking like a basics only, but even people don't know in-depth basic knowledge. Right? Everyone knows how to create a link, but they don't know what are the benefits of the links. Everyone knows what is the tar command, but they don't know how to apply and what are the benefits. So that is the advantage of concept level. So regular commands are different. Chapter level learning commands are different. Completely, you will get your chapter level means different knowledge, 100%. But I'm guarantee, once again I'm telling, I'm guarantee. So after 40 or 45 days, you will get completely different knowledge. I'm sure you will manage any kind of workloads on Linux platform. Am I correct?
True,
Yes, Ram. And one more thing is how we can download the lab. So yesterday we tried to do that one. Could you please help us? So how to download it?
Which one?
So the lab in the sense like the first one, the installation, the Linux partition.
Linux, I mean installation, right?
It's right, Ram. Yep.
Installation videos, right? I mean class
It's
videos.
right. It's right. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Installation videos, like even
videos
I have
means,
virtual. Yep.
please contact management. Videos purpose.
Okay. Okay.
Already you are paid student, right?
It's right. Yes.
Right. Then please ask them. They will provide
Got
the
it.
what? Access link. I mean how to access your videos.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And
It is under backup videos, Srinivas.
That's what I'm saying. Even they will include the what backup videos and today video and yesterday video.
yes,
Everything they
yes.
will upload it in the portal only. But once you will access the what portal, then everything is available.
Sir,
Then-
how many classes gone off?
Sorry?
How many classes are over?
See, actually the first 2 or 3 classes are introduction only. Practical lectures are two, yesterday and today.
Okay. Yesterday was the installation of the software.
No, not installation. Little bit like important basic commands. Some basic commands
MKDIR,
out,
CSDIR,
like how to
commands.
access the what
Real
Linux
time
OS,
command.
how to access the what Linux OS, and what is the terminal, and then what are the present working directory ls. But one thing you remember, guys. So the basic commands again we will repeat inside the what admin level, but not like chapter level. But while executing commands, we will use the what ls command, we will use the what rm command, we will use the what cp command again.
Sir, I
Okay.
have one question.
Uh,
Sir, how to resolve system registry issue?
how to resolve?
Sir, if you run one command, yum update command or something else, there
Right.
is one pop-up is there. This system is not registered.
Okay, the system is not registered with entertain meaning something it is like.
Yes.
Okay, then we will do package management concept. It is not like one command. Okay, we can execute this command, definitely it will resolve. It is not like one command. It is one chapter. I mean, you must to know where to create a repository. Within the repository, what kind of lines we need to add. And like it is a 1 hour lecture actually. If you have knowledge on that 1 hour lecture, then only you will fix that issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
I was try, sir,
In the,
but I don't understand.
actually, in the Ubuntu level, no need to create any repositories. So why people to use Ubuntu means inbuilt repositories are there. I mean, if you run any command, it will contact directly existing repositories and it will download the what multiple packages. I mean, it will installing also. But in the real time, the process is not correct. Because if you apply the what every command and it will download it in the system facing lot of issues because unwanted packages it will download and install it, or maybe unsecurity patches are downloading and install it. That's why people will create only custom repositories. So now if you create custom repository, then what you want to install it, that package only it will download and install it. Then how to create a repository? That is the what critical concept. I mean, the concept is little bit critical, but I will explain very clearly at the time of package management, what is the difference between RPM and YUM, and then why YUM or DNF in the market. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Okay.
Sir, actually, from the previous session, I have one doubt.
Tell me.
Yeah, regarding like when we are allocating storage for this terminal, right? So we allocated 12 GB for the root, and then we allocated some memory for the boot and swap and other.
Okay, tell me, what is the question?
So yeah, so under root only those directories are coming, right? So
Right,
while summation,
everything is under root only. So that's why see everything working under root only. That's why we need to provide the more space for the root. See that if you create some files, where to create the files under the what root only. So that's why again the root also occupied the what slash space only.
Yeah, got it. But while calculating the total storage, we calculated separately, like 20 GB we calculated the usage. So how is it like for the
20
boot?
GB means slash only. We have separated partitions, right? Even I have specified the what home directory. Home directory size is the what 3 GB actually. Now the home will uses the what 3 GB, but home does not occupy the what from the slash because I have separated space for the home.
Okay.
Okay. So if you don't specify the what separate space for the directories, but everyone will be occupied from the slash only.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, go ahead. Someone else.
you carry on, please.
Yeah, thank you, Sandeep. Sir, I have few questions. You have said saying like these are basic commands, right? So, and you are mentioning some chapter-wise commands also will learn it in detail. So the star command, ls command, rmdir command, whatever we have learned, these also will be again iterated during the chapter levels.
No.
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 Okay. So, I mean, in the tar, there is another things, right? For compressing, I mean, zip files and all this. So these will be covered under chapters?
No. So that's why these are the what basic level commands. Basic level means, so these commands we will execute on the dollar prompt. So dollar means what? So now user level commands. Even these
Yeah.
commands working on the what user level and admin level also. I mean has a dollar. But when will I start the what admin level chapters? The commands will be on hash only, not on dollar.
Yes, I mean the zip file, zip commands are not been explained, right? So when it will be covered? I mean, just an
No,
example.
already I explained the word zip command. What is the use of the word zip? So it is called what zip command. Gzip is the command. If you use the word Java file has been compressed. Here, very easy commands. So if I do each and every command in the basic level, the sessions will be 3 months to 4 months.
So these basic will be included in the PDF, but not
Yeah, that's what.
explained.
That if I take only basic lectures, definitely I will be cover the what one by one command in the basic level only. But this is the classes related to admin level. So in the admin level means I will cover the what the basics only important commands. But in the PDF, I have been added the what even those basics also. Then we will execute the what the other extra commands. Okay, Jesus. It is very easy commands, but critical commands definitely I will explain here.
Got it. I mean, yeah, I got it. The another question is, I mean, now you have just to let me understand, you have run a ls command, right? To show what is happening by running the gzip command, right? So the same way, I mean, till now you have just for any command execution, you are running ls with the command, sorry, with the file name or directory name, right?
Correct.
You are just listing that particular directory or particular file execution, right?
Correct.
So while explaining the commands, can you also run this ls commands to just see what is happening or an overall directory or as an overall file? I mean,
Yes,
just to
already.
see the change.
Yeah, I told you already yesterday, Sevani.
Yeah.
Okay. Even I did show the what documentation also, one command explanation, theoretical part, one command below, then what is the meaning of the command, and again below the command, what is the meaning of the command. Everything is available in the in the PDF part.
I agree. The PDF is available,
But
but for
here
now,
also, I told you here ls-l. I told you right,
yes.
ls-l. Okay. Even I told you, you want to access the what AWS file only, AWS only. Even I told
No,
you,
no, no. You have said this. For example, I'm saying, for example, you have shown us what is soft link and what is hard link, right?
Okay, correct.
You are running that soft just to display the ID, the index number. You are mentioning that particular file name, correct?
Yes.
So the fact is something when you create a soft link, I mean the original files also available, including it. One soft link is also created.
Right.
Correct me if
The
I'm wrong.
original
So
file is also available.
correct. So I just wanted to see the difference by running the ls command versus ls with the particular directory or the file. I just wanted to see what is happening in the actual files. Let me know if I'm going any wrong. I mean,
You don't
I was
understand the what
sounding
concept, I think.
yeah, I mean, I'm not under, I just wanted to compare with the actual versus what we
She,
have done.
sir, she got the point, but she did not do
Understand.
that in the laptop. So she has all the
Okay. Did you do the practice, Shivani?
I did not understood, sir. What practice, sir?
Practicals, Linux practicals are started.
Yes.
Okay. So what kind of difference you want? If I type ls space -i, correct?
Yeah.
The file name is, for example, root. The file name is AWS. What is the ID number here? This file ID number is this, is right? Index number.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
I mean this AWS file is stored in the R disk with this number.
correct.
Okay, then what do you want? Again, another point is what?
The actual file index number.
This is the what actual file index number. This is the what original file index number.
Yeah, now the link file.
The link file I told you in the same thing, like we have created under home location, then it even ROM, under I have created the what my file, right? But already it was deleted. That's why it's not. Okay, even it is called what available. See that red color. I mean this color means what original file is deleted. But this
Correct.
file index number is different.
Yeah, so if we don't mention this home RAM and file, just we run as a ls-i without
The,
mentioning and
then
specifying
what
file.
is the meaning here? Now the system will fetching my file in the what current location only. It will verifying in the current location only.
Yeah,
Current location in the sense?
Root location. What is your current location? Type it before that's what every
Present
time you can
location.
verifying the what PWD. Where are you working now?
Mm-hmm.
So already I think basics are completed, right, in yourself.
basics are completed.
I think you are the DevOps student, right?
Yeah,
I think basics are completed, right? Yourself Linux basics are completed,
the
right?
basics are completed. That is why I am understanding that there will be an existence of original file also, though we have created a
See,
soft link.
this is called what? Your path, absolute path name. I mean,
Correct.
this is you are running from the current location. That means original file to your location. But when you are specifying the what only file name without writing any path, then what is the meaning here? Then system will verify the what my file in the what in the current location of root. But where is the my file actually I created? The my file is under home ROM. That's why I specified the what the complete path of the what file location.
I got it.
Uh,
Yeah, now just now you have highlighted these DevOps classes, right? So since I attended that, I'm just understanding what is
okay,
the background thing.
that is the no issue, no problem. So just clarity is very important, but no problem. But here now it's clear or not?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. So in case if you're not, then ask me, no problem. Again, I will tell.
Okay. Uh, yeah. So, sir, another thing you have been said, like, regards to the portal and the videos you have and the group, you have to reach out to the people working in Ashok IT, right? So I just reached out to them. They've been said like the WhatsApp group will be not created.
So that's what I'm asking. Please, Sevani. I told you yesterday. Please ask the
What?
subject here only. But you want WhatsApp group videos related management only.
Management people said that please
Uh,
talk to Ram. He is your trainer. He will tell you. That is why I'm asking
he
you.
will trainer only will tell you means trainer only like explaining commands only. Even we don't have any rights to create the what WhatsApp group. Even the people will be create your WhatsApp
Sir,
group. They will
now,
join me.
sir, now you tell me, as you
Uh,
are working for them, the
uh,
hierarchy and all this thing will be known by you, not by us. They are
no.
saying that.
Even myself, I don't know exactly. Seriously, because I told them today, and even I have dropped the what message to what management people, and please
Yeah,
be creative what WhatsApp group.
yeah.
Okay, okay. They are not reply still. Okay,
Okay,
maybe
I
because
don't know.
why they are waiting actually. Actually, the every time they will create a what WhatsApp group after changing link only because demo sessions are completed, right? So today only new link. I mean, you got the what new link today onwards, right?
Yeah, but the what?
Now maybe today night or maybe tomorrow they will create your new WhatsApp group.
No, that's the point.
Just for
I received an email in that one WhatsApp group link is also attached, but that group is created in May. So I just reached out to them and said the same thing. Then they said like the WhatsApp group and the notes part will be taken care by Ram.
That's what I'm saying. Notes part is myself only. I told you yesterday. PDFs and class explanation is myself only. WhatsApp group and videos and everything is by management. I told you right yesterday. PDFs myself only. I will upload the what inside the portal. PDFs responsibility myself only.
Yes, but they will
I told you right
include
yesterday. I told you.
Ram, come on. I mean, whatever they said, I'm just asking you because I cannot reach out to them by going to Hyderabad from USA, right? I just call them or text them. They are being
Then
said like
and
WhatsApp group also handled by
okay,
you.
okay. Just one thing, Shivani. One thing.
Yeah.
Okay, please wait at least 1 or 2 days because batch has been started just 3 days ago. Even this Linux, even still demo sessions are.
You
Yes,
went on
they will
mute.
add the what like paid people and unpaid people and everything. That is completely nonsense because everyone will create a WhatsApp group once paid classes are started. What I'm saying. Today only, I mean, paid classes are started. Even they have been changed the link of the Zoom, and maybe tomorrow they will create your WhatsApp group definitely, and they will add the what all people in the WhatsApp group, and tomorrow onwards, I will upload the what PDFs also in the portal.
From tomorrow.
From tomorrow onwards, I will update the what PDFs in the portal because paid sessions are started. Definitely, it is my responsibility. I will update it.
Okay. So
Okay.
for now, can you add this curriculum also, the one which you showed in the
Already I have been shared.
sorry, I don't have it, so just asked.
Okay, definitely. Okay, but in the not portal, I will share the what in the classroom.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, because
Are you in
yeah,
the USA? Like
from
someone
Hyderabad.
says, right? Someone
Yes,
says
Akash.
Oh, so where are you from in the USA?
I think that is not can be
Like,
disclosed
oh no,
here.
I'm also in the USA. That's why I'm just curious.
Okay, you will discuss personal things in later. But if you
Yeah.
have any queries, please ask me.
Yeah.
I have one.
Well, I just need to keep 3 years of experience as a Linux admin.
See, I will teach you around people will be act as 4 to 5 years experience if you learn this subject.
Whatever you teach, that would be more sufficient, you mean to say?
100%. Even my students are placed in multiple locations with 4 or 5 years experience.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because this subject is very strong.
Mm.
I am guaranteed. See, each and everything I will explain in depth only. It's not like ln is the command to create a link. Then people will stop the what links are completed. But
Sir,
approximately,
as far as my understanding, I'm telling you, sir, you are covering the basics, right? When do you start concept wise?
I mean, concepts wise also already started, but user level commands are executed. See, like it is called what links are the what concepts actually. Links are the what concept. Okay. Archiving files also concept, but these are the what small concept. That's why every day 2 or 3 lectures. I mean, every day 2 or 3 chapters. But in the user, like it is called what when the admin lectures are started, I think each lecture minimum 1 hour, maximum 2 hours or 3 hours also. That's why I will divide the what 2 classes or 3 lectures for each chapter.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, these basics also. So, to what extent you are teaching, that would be sufficient, right? We don't need to get into deeper of it.
Sorry, once again.
Sir, the basics commands which you are teaching right now will be sufficient, right? We no need to again get into deeper. I mean,
no need. Actually, we are looking for the
these will be sufficient, right?
Yes, 100%.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank
because
you very
don't
much.
focus on the what like it is called what silly commands of LSO RMOC.
Again,
That's why
sir,
even little bit speed of the what LS command, RM command, everything. But I have stopped the what speed at the time of archiving and LN command. I mean links concept, because people are new for the what links and archiving also.
yes, sir.
I know. I mean it is called what, if I explanation is fast, those are the what a little bit unimportant concepts. I mean don't focus more and more, because those things are again will repeat while execution. I mean while advanced level.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes, sir, I have one
Thank
question.
you very much, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, I have one question. The home, if you increase the space of home directory, will it increase in the root directory?
No.
No,
So
right?
we cannot increase the what file system size, but
No,
we have just
like I am saying, if the usage of home directory increase, then the
then
root.
the home directory size will be increased. Means already the size of the home directory 3 GB, right?
Yeah, I mean you are adding some file which is which has some space. So if you increase the home directory space, the root directory will also increase.
No.
Okay, so it's a
Okay.
separate totally.
So if you increase the D drive size, can you increase the what E drive? I mean automatically.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay, Sevani, I saw the message,
Yeah.
but later I will share with
Yeah, sure.
you. Okay, right. Thank you very much.
Sir, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to get the PDFs, right? Of the content?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I will
Ram, can
upload the
you
what?
share?
Yes.
I'm so sorry. Can you
Tell me.
share this course curriculum and the bad introduction of that Linux PDF, please?
Sure. That's what. Tomorrow I will update the what? Your introduction PDF, installation PDF, first basic lectures, now today basic lecture and everything. But what I told you, in the PDF level, more commands are available. I mean in the documentation, more commands are available. And don't think again, this command is not covered, this command is not covered like that. Okay, because some basics are unimportant. If you okay, then you will do the word practice, otherwise you will ignore it. But my responsibility is adding more commands, because some people recommend the word strong knowledge of the basics, but every command, it is highly impossible to cover the word in the classroom, because every command has multiple options also. But if you have a knowledge on one command, definitely you will execute the word with different options also, because you know what is the use of the command.
No.
Okay, is clear or not?
Yeah, it's very clear. I mean, I don't know the difference between these two, right? So I just asked.
Okay, no problem. So tomorrow I will update the what PDFs in the Ashok IT portal, and please check it. Okay, but how to access the what portal, and please ask them. Actually, really I don't know, but I know how to upload it only.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
we know that.
Okay, so once
Yeah.
again I'm telling, and don't mind any point. I mean, my responsibility, even you are the student, I am the trainer in the Ashok IT. Okay, I am part of the trainer only. So management teams are different. So they will share the work, even the, I mean, Zoom link for me and you also. They will share the what link for you. At the same way, they will share the what link for me also, same way. But they will provide the what access link for the what? It is a host access for training purpose. But even recorded videos, who will upload means the backend people will upload it. I mean, myself responsibility taking classes and upload the what PDFs. If you have any subject related PDFs, then I will explain it. But remaining everything, you will ask them.
I got it. I thought you would be having a transparency.
Okay. Right? I
Yeah.
think you're clear, right? Everything.
Yes.
Okay. Don't repeat the what again, the same questions. That's what I'm
Okay.
saying. Don't mind. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Actually, see here what happened exactly. I have more work after 9 o'clock. Actually, my schedule is 8 to 9 only. But every day the class time is more than 9 o'clock, 9:30 minimum, 9:40. Today is 9:40 even. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now Monday onwards, I will follow the what strict rules, and 8 to 9 only, or maybe more questions are there related than 9 to 9:15.
Sure,
Because
sir.
even myself, even a lot of pending works because I'm working, right?
Yeah, understandable.
Okay, right. Thank you.
No worries,
Thank you.
Ram. You can take your like
Right.
rest of the day. Yeah,
Thank you.
bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Bye.